Alright guys, so moving on to the next project here on the truck. Go ahead and replace these window switches on either side. Pretty easy. It's gonna be pretty quick. We got all the new switches right here. So basically all we're gonna do is there's two clips right here that's on that holds this piece on. You just pull up on it. There's your two clips. Right there, clip right here, and there's a clip right here. Mine's missing, but there's the other clips right here. Make sure you pull this off and then put it back on your piece, and you go to clip it back on. But basically you just pull these three connectors out. They're all you just push this little tab in and pull out on all of them, except for this one. This one you're gonna have to get like a little screwdriver or something to put in that piece right there. You push that in and then the connector will pull out. And then it's just some torque screws right there that hold the switch on. And then we can replace this. Alright guys, so I got the piece out. So it's got two torque screws right here. You get those out and then your window switch will come out. But as for the mirror switch, it's got two tabs on either side. You can't see these ones. On either side, you push those in and then pull out, and that'll come out, and then you can just pop your new one in. So here's those tabs right there. So like I say, you can either push those tabs in, or you can just put a screwdriver between the switch and this plastic piece and pry out, and it'll pop right up like that. And you just pry on either side. Bam, there we go. Mirror switches out, and we'll just pop the new one in here just like that, and the new one's installed. Bam. Alright, and I'm gonna get a torque screw and we'll get this, or really might just use a flat. Oh heck yeah, you can just use a flathead screwdriver. Get these screws unscrewed. Pop your little switch up. Put your new one in. So it's got hold on a second, got it backwards. It's got a little piece right here. You just want to get it lined up with those two holes. You got those two. You got a little dowel pin right there, and then this slot. You want to line this dowel pin up with the dowel pin hole and the slot with the slot hole. Get that in there, and then you can put your screws back in and bolt it on, and then that's pretty much it. Like I said, it's gonna be pretty easy. And this is on the 99 to 02, I do believe. Chevy, Silverado, Tahoes, GMCs, Sierras. 03 to 07, they had different switches and modules built into them, so they're a little bit different. But and then plug it back in, pop it back in, and then you're done. And then you just move to the other side and do the same thing to that side you did to this side, and that's it. Alright, got the passenger switch replaced. Just did the exact same as the driver's side. Keep these for backup. I don't think there's really anything wrong with the switches. I mean, at least the passenger switch wasn't, I don't think there was anything wrong with it, but the driver's switch was messed up, I do believe. And I did just now realize I got the switch for a gray button instead of black, but no big deal. As long as the dang switches work, it's all good. So now what you're going to do is make sure everything works. I have another problem with my lock system, so that's not going to work. I know my window works. 1 second, get my key real quick, turn it on, and then bam, window works. Alright, so that's how you replace your door switches.